Today I wanted to show you the mobile editor and how to make sure that things are not overlapping. If you have some what my client called homepage chaos, such as this, the rest of the page looks fine, but then as you get down, I mean this is a long page, there's a lot of content, but as you get down here, underneath these events, there is some overlapping elements that is, just doesn't look good. So this is a very easy fix. When you're in your editor in Wix, you want to actually navigate to the mobile editor side. This is where you can edit and rearrange and space out the same elements that are on desktop on mobile. So let's click here on mobile and then scroll down to the area of the page that you want to fix. In this case, this overlapping text. And then I'm going to just simply pull this down here, get that off of the events element, and give it a little more padding too. I think that'll be nice. I also notice that there is a container box here. I'm going to move this stuff out of that container box so we don't have to worry about if that container box grows, it will grow and push the rest of the stuff down. So I moved that out of there, and then I'm spacing this a little bit, and you'll see I accidentally overlapped some pictures, so I can certainly give those a little space as well. And there you have it. So I'm going to go ahead and publish. That's just a real simple, quick fix of how to fix overlapping elements in the mobile view of any Wix website. So if you see that kind of stuff happen, just go over to your mobile editor and just make the adjustments needed. You'll notice that I did use what I call, it's called the drag handle. And this, when you use this tool, like if I were to just move this, see how it just kind of starts overlapping? Well, if I were to use this and click on it and drag, that moves everything up and down in sync. So that's a much better way of adding space and moving and rearranging elements, so everything else gets pushed down and you don't have problems with overlapping, which would happen if I were to just drag it without using that drag handle. So that's it. Happy Wixing. Keep in mind too that you can hide things from mobile if you want to simplify the mobile site. You can also adjust the settings such as your font size, the alignment, even the color. But what you cannot do is double click and edit the text. If you want to edit the text, you're going to have to go into the mobile view. And if you want to change elements in general, pictures and things like that, go into mobile. There is also a new feature that was recently added to Wix where you can actually add things just to your mobile site, which is really helpful. You can add a button to your mobile site or an image if you want to swap out images because there's a better image that works in mobile. You're welcome to use these features here, and these, when you add these, will only show up in the mobile view and not on desktop. So that's a new feature that I really like. I'm hoping that down the road they will add a menu feature as well for pages that don't have a header and footer. By default, they will not have this little, what we call a hamburger mobile menu. And these, sometimes you don't want to have your header and footer on the desktop, but you still want to have a menu in the mobile. And currently, that's not really doable. So I'm hoping that Wix will add that feature to this little plus as well, like just to add a mobile web menu that can expand and contract as it does on any normal page with a header and footer. All right, that's it for today. Happy Wixin'.